Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Save-A-Lot grocery haul. Of course, there will be a meal plan in the description box below, and yes, this is a huge stock up haul for at least 2 or 3 weeks. We'll probably carry on a little longer than that actually. And I'm going to start with meats this time. Usually I do meats at the end, but I want to do all the freezer stuff so I can put it away. So I did 2 of the Pick 5s and just ground beef. So I got 10 packages of ground beef. And then got 2 of the boneless ribs. 2 of those. 2 of these cube steaks. Pick 5. Got a butterfly pork chop package. And pork cutlets. And then the other day at Walmart, I got a huge pack of chicken breast, and I divvied that up into 3 meals as well to go along with the Save-A-Lot. I don't prefer to get my chicken at Save-A-Lot. I prefer to pick up the chicken at Walmart. And I got a pack of chicken tenders already in the freezer as well to go with all of this ground beef and pork. The rest of the freezer items real quick. I got some of these Rally's Famous seasoned fries. I do like to make my own, but we also like sometimes to get these in tots. 2 of these Totino's party pizzas, a combination and a pepperoni. Some Texas toast for either spaghetti or pizza casserole. Got some Neapolitan ice cream. Some more of the State Street Poultry chicken bites. At our Save-A-Lot, they quit carrying the chicken tenders and replaced it with these chicken bites. And Connor likes these, so I picked them up again. And 3 of the Brown and Serve original sausage links. So like these with pancakes and other breakfasts. Picked up an 18 count eggs. Yellow potatoes. Bananas, a 2% milk, a head of lettuce, some plums, some red seedless grapes, 2 types of sprinkled cheese, Mexican style taco and mild cheddar, a Lunchable ham and cheese, so Connor can have this for school lunch one day, a tub of butter. And it is a bit dark. It's overcast and foggy here, so the video is going to be a little bit dark. But a tub of butter, some stick butter, some Bar S cheddar jumbo franks for dinner one night, or for the grill for dinner, grill or inside. And 2 of these Armour pepperonis, 1 for homemade pizza, which I already have everything I need, the mozzarella, the pizza crust, the pizza sauce. I just needed pepperonis, and 1 for pizza casserole, sour cream for taco salad, and almost forgot to get a original Crescent rolls. So 8 in here, and 1 of these diced peaches. Picked up some hot dog buns, some hamburger buns, and we'll do 4 of these, and I'll freeze the rest, then do 4, and then do 4 more. So this 12 package of hamburger buns are going to give us 3 meals. A loaf of bread, sugar, some quick 1-minute oats. I'm going to make some oatmeal cookies and needed this for that. The Golden Rounds, just original crackers. They had these again, 4 for $5. The Southeastern Mills Peppered Gravy Mix. This is a really good gravy mix. It makes 3.5 cups. And I got 4 of those. And I also picked up a taco seasoning. Ice cream cones for the ice cream. Some Jiffy corn muffin mix. 2 of the regular macaroni and cheese. 1 of the shells and cheese. A panini pasta. Some original cooking spray. 2 ketchups. I'm going to make a meatloaf, so I needed some extra ketchup. So I got 1 of their smaller 24 ounces and 1 of their 38 ounces of ketchup. one of these buttery rich syrups for our blueberry pancakes. Of these for marinating meat. I can never pronounce that, so I'm not even going to. The Heinz Homestyle Gravy Roasted Turkey. They had a good deal on these today, 5 for $5, but I only needed one, so I just picked up one. And I got some of this imitation vanilla for the cookies I'm going to make, and some paprika. And they were completely out of garlic, which I needed, but these are for potato wedges. And last but certainly not least, lots of can items. I had to stock up the can cabinet with veggies and whatever else I needed for meals. So I had to pick up a chicken broth, a jellied cranberry sauce, and which is really good with this turkey-like meal that I make, but I use chicken. I've done a video on it, and the In the Kitchen playlist will be in the cards and the description box below, as well as all the What's for Dinners in the description box below. A diced tomato. Picked up 3 whole new potatoes. I like to mix these whole potatoes with green beans, which I got 4 green beans. I got 3 mixed veggies and 3 peas. All to stock my cabinet back up with canned veggies. And that is all I picked up at the grocery store today. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional In the Kitchen links. Thank you so much for watching.